So this is another thing is a Buchnania barberry. We know Murli Panlu in Telugu. So that is the Buchnania lanjan, Buchnania cochin sinens common in Andhra and Telangana region. So but and if you go naturally everywhere it is very common that Murli Panlu. So especially in the months of March and February, April you will get those fruits. So in this particular same genus, this another plant is endemic to the Western Ghats. This is a scientifically known as a Buchnania barberry. So this also is a critical endangered plant. This also we are bringing in the natural only two localities it's available in the world in the Western Ghats. So like these plants we are bringing. This is another is a Placotia montana is endemic to the Western Ghats. We multiplied thousands of sapling this and we are giving to the different botanical garden. So this is a Garcinia indica. This is a kokum. So this year you can see the this year only I brought in the month of this is April May I brought these seeds. Then I started germination trials. So this successfully here thousands of seedlings. This is the endemic and endangered plant of the Western Ghats. So this we brought. This is a Konkan region. If you go these fruits are kokum. They used to give that kokum drink. Squash is available. So after the meal, every time in Telugu area we used to take this buttermilk. But they mixed with this squash with the buttermilk. They used to serve in the Konkan region. This we brought from the Konkan region. So we successfully these trials we made and different experiments. So in this successful germination we got it and we raised more than thousands of seedlings. This particular Garcinia indica. So this Goinothalamus wienerdensis, the another Annonaceae member. This is also endangered plant and endemic to the Western Ghats. So like this is Commiferae whitei. This is also critically endangered plants we are having. Encetas suburbana. This is the native to the Western Ghats and Northeast India. So like this, so many endemic plants now unable because more than 450 species endemic and endangered plants it's available in the garden. So last 2 years, almost more than 200 species, endemic species we introduced into the garden. So this process is continuously going. So there are so many endemic plants we planted in the different. This is also Kingiodendron pinnatum. It's endemic to the Western Ghats. This is another species, Diospyros. This is also endemic to the Andaman Nicobar Island. This is a threatened species, Pilangamani. This is from Andaman, Lagostoma ipolaica. This is also endemic to the Andaman. So Beccaria portulavensis, this is endemic to the Western Ghats. So different kind of like Syzygium gylenicum, Syzygium caryophyllatum, Syzygium litum, Syzygium travancoricum, Syzygium stocksii. These species introduced this year. So many like different endemics and threatened plants we are bringing are introduced into our botanical garden. So this is a Persea macrantha. So these are the different plants we are bringing and we are to our nursery we are raising and we are introducing into the garden for extensive conservation program. After successful multiplication of this, we are distributing to our different botanical garden of India and over requesting for the different botanical garden also, we are sharing our germplasm with them. So our mutual exchange thing. So apart from this scientific things, so we are doing this many awareness program, especially from the starting from the wetland day to last like ozone day, recent up to the ozone day. Each and every program we used to organize wetland day, and every February 2nd we used to create the awareness among the people about the wetland. We used to organize wetland day, environment day, Vanamohotsava. During the Vanamohotsava and environment day, we used to go for large scale plantation in our different divisions of the botanical garden. So then independent, these are different kind of programs, awareness program we are creating. Like Mission Life, recently now Mission Life is a major thing. So Mission Life also we are, this is the year the wetland day we organized. We used to create call different school children to our garden. They used to draw in the different themes. We used to give quiz and allocation and drawing, different kind of competition we used to give. Then we selected among the best students and we used to give certificates and awards for the students. So to creation of the awareness about this wetland day in the environment days. So same thing, this kind of rally we used to take and different programs we used to organize in the Vanamohotsava periods. We used to plant and yoga days and different kind of life mission we used to create for the life mission. Now the mandate is the life mission. So because initial pages we have to create awareness among the people, then next phase we have to follow the things, because due to this we have thousands of schools and colleges and our all staff, that's the ministry. Every day we used to organize 6 to 7 programs like that. Our staff almost 6 months they were completely engaged. Our all scientific staff went to the different areas and they created awareness program on the Mission Life. They gave delivery talks, they gave lectures, who were visiting to the gardens. More than lakhs of people we created awareness about this Life Mission program and Swachhata Abhiyan. So these things we are creating. See, these are the Life Mission. Like this, we used to take with the GPS readings. We used to create awareness to the students. So this is with this I am going to end my talk. So first of all, I would like to thank our director, Dr. A. Moa sir, and Dr. Devinder Singh sir, scientist and head of the office of the Indian Botanical Garden. Dr. Rasingam sir, scientist and head of the office of Botanical Survey in the Deccan Regional Center, and Dr. S.P. Panda sir, especially Dr. S.P. Panda sir, who shared all the things we shared with he taught me because he served many years in the Indian Botanical Garden as a curator. Because he shared many things because I came only just 2 years before only I came to here. Before that, almost he served 8 to 9 years here. He shared many things to with me, which whatever I'm sharing to with you, because of him only I learned many things from him because that I'm sharing with you. So thanks for giving opportunity for one and all. So especially Dr. Nagaraj sir, because he only starting our last since 2 years we are planning to organize these things, but we could not organize. But successfully this time Dr. Nagaraj sir organized. So congratulations to Dr. Nagaraj sir. Then I'd like to thank each and every participants and for patiently listening that particular talk. If you have any question, kindly ask me. I can answer. Thank you, one and all. Hello, sir. Hello, Dr. Nagaraj sir. Hello. If you have any question, you can ask.
Good evening, sir. It was a very excellent presentation.
Hello.
Thank you.
I would like to ask one question. I wanted to know whether there are any gymnosperms there,
Yes, ma'am.
endangered species of gymnosperms, because nowadays gymnosperms are
Yes,
getting
yes,
extinct, no,
yes.
sir.
Ma'am, 14
So
cycle species. Yeah,
in
14
BS,
cycle.
BSI, Botanical
Yes,
Survey.
yes, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we are having 14 cycad species. Many of the out of the 14, 12 species are endemic to our India only. So, like Cycas beddomi, it's located is endemic and endangered, critical endangered to the eastern Ghat of Andhra Pradesh. From there, we brought those Cycas beddomi also. Cycas this year I brought, especially I brought this year Cycas research element, Cycas beddomi. We planted here. All Cycas jalanica we have, Cycas sperica we have, Cycas andamanica we have, Cycas darshi we have. Different kind of Cycas species we have. 12 endemic species of Cycads we are having in our garden. Apart from these points and different Araucaria members, Araucaria group, we are having in the Pinetum division also.
Good evening, sir. My question is that
Thank you.
is there any planning for seed bank or is there any seed bank available at Botanical Garden?
I'm very sorry to say, ma'am. As of now, we don't have seed banks, but this year onwards, we have started collecting the seeds and different thing parts of our garden, whatever we are having. We are collecting and we are keeping. Whenever we are going out, also we are bringing the seeds, ma'am. This proposal already we sent to the minister, ma'am, for establishment of the seed bank in our Indian Botanical Garden.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good evening, sir.
Very good, ma'am.
Sir, I'm from Chennai actually. Just could you just highlight on the carnivorous plants anything cultivated here in
No,
BSI?
ma'am. Only Drosera as part of this taxonomic garden we are developing, ma'am. For that only we got the Drosera species in, ma'am. Our Nepanthes we have, but we try brought 3 4 times. But due to this, in the summer it's a very horrible condition in the Kolkata because especially this is a like Chennai condition only it will be here same. So in the summer times that humidity and temperature is more because of that we are unable to survive. But again this year we brought this Nepanthes species from our Shillong. We have botanical garden near Barapani in our Shillong. Eastern Regional Center. So from there we brought saplings of Nepanthes we are raising here. So Drosiras we have.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Welcome.
This is the time for the voluntary section of the overall 2 days national workshop. Got it fruitful with the help of Botanical Survey of India, Kolkata, and Howrah, especially the backbone, the entire credit goes to the Deccan Region Center, Hyderabad. BSI Deccan Region Center, Hyderabad. Head of the office, Dr. L. Rasingam sir, given an opportunity, even in the technical issues, faced the problem. He has given the plenty of the opportunity, the very broad, wide area opportunity to give the wide information about the Botanical Survey of India. And one more, I'm very feel gratitude to our Botanical Survey of India main head office director Dr. Mavo sir, the readily accepted to talk, to give the talk as a keynote speaker in our inaugural section. On this inaugural section, though he faced the technical issues, he joined again and again. He has given his valuable talk. He explained about the Botanical Survey of India, how they are grown, how what they are doing. It given very brightness to all the enlightened, to all the persons, that we are wholeheartedly thankful to our Botanical Survey of India head office director Dr. A. Mavo sir. We wholeheartedly heartfelt thank you to sir, to Dr. Mavo sir, for giving this opportunity, and our chief guest of this today's national workshop, Professor C. Manoharachari sir, NASA senior scientist, Usman University, Hyderabad. He supported a lot to make it functional, make it active position to do this workshop. And another very important, precious, highly reputed scientists, they have been participated, they readily accepted for give their talk on new things and advances in the taxonomy, especially from the Agarkar Research Institute, Pune, R.K. Chowdhury sir, scientist E. He has given an advanced taxonomy talk, deliberated talk on advanced taxonomy, that is APG system of classification, now trending fourth system of classification also, given elaborate wide talk. He has taken to us the APG system of classification from the natural system of classification. That's very good, enlightened to all our teachers. We all the teachers have to update the knowledge. That updated knowledge is given by our eminent taxonomist, that is R.K. Chowdhury sir, and how we use our botany for advanced studies, advanced complexes, advanced classifications, advanced system in the biodiversity study, ecosystem study, ecology study, and the study of endemic, endangered, threatened species, and the using of remote sensing, advanced technology in the study of the plants. That all being explained by our beloved scientist, as the Dr. C. Sudhakar Reddy sir from NRSC, National Remote Sensing Center, ISRO, Balnagar, Hyderabad. Given very interesting and enlightened talk, he has readily accepted and given very broad, enlightened, very lengthy talk without boring, with very keen interest till the end of the session. For that, we all thank you very much, sir. We heartfelt thank you to the Dr. Sudhakar Reddy sir for giving this talk and enlighten the young botanists, young budding botanists and teachers, lecturers, professors, all they enlighten with these talks. And our Deccan Region Center head of the office explain about the BSI prospective and BSA aspects and prospects, present scenario, and what the works are going on, how they are, where they are, what the works are going on, what are the main functions of the Botanical Survey of India, that all being explained by our head of the office, Deccan Region Center, Hyderabad, that is Dr. L. Rasingam sir, and then Dr. S. Panda sir explained about the mangroves, the diversity, the usage of the conservation of the mangroves diversity, uh, to prevent from the floods and all the things in the each of these areas, their conservations he has explained. And then next, the Dr. Swarnalata botanist explained about the mission life or government of India initiative programs that all comes under the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. This our Botanical Survey of India also comes under Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. They are taking so many initiations to do the environmental conservation activities, to make aware among the students, young minds, as Dr. J. Swami said, so many activities, social activities, community activities also they are doing, all the scientists also. They are coming toward the community to make aware, to make them educate, to make them a practitioner of the in the mission life, to acquire the life skills for the better future, for the future generation. And also Dr. Hari Krishna sir, botanist, explain about the floristic diversity of India with special reference to the Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. He has explained very brightly, very knowledgeable talks he has given. We are known so many plants which are having the diversity in our India. We know the endemic species of our India with special reference to our AP, and endangered with our threatened, with our in very vulnerable condition, present situation, that all the plants, plant species, plant name, we could able to see, we could know with his talk. And then the great most important, the main workshop objective of this workshop is the practical section, hands-on training. The hands-on training practical section, preparation of the herbarium, how to prepare the herbarium, what are the precautions how to take, what are the steps we have to follow, what are the precautions by step, how to collect the plant, how to make it preserve, how to bring it to the lab, how to make it preserve, how to make it the herbarium, compressing, poisoning, drying, and mounting, and labeling with the field book with all the data, preparation of the holotype, isotype, electrotype, all the types preparation in the typification, that all explained practically with hands-on experience along with the students. They have done the practical, they have done the hands-on experience on how to prepare the herbarium. Their self along with the students, they explain, along with the students they explain the lot, and they demonstrated the preparation of the herbarium technique. With that, this workshop is very fruitful. What they wish, what they want, that all advances in taxonomy, plant taxonomy, as well as in the herbarium techniques and the conservation of biodiversity, with special reference to the botanical garden. That that all explained, that all being explained by our Dr. J. Swami, with reference to the great Indian Botanical Garden, as a curator of the great Botanical Garden, Dr. J. Swami visually he has shown all the special type of the plants which are growing, all the regional plants, all the various endemic plants, all the varieties of the plants, rare plants, very single species plants also we could able to see, which is valuable visual presentation. New varieties of the different varieties of the hibiscus with the different scientist names, Janaki Ammal, and the different various scientist names with the different varieties of the new varieties, new genus, new species, new varieties we could able to see in the different plants. Virtually, we are seeing the all. I think all the students, all the participants, virtually seen the Indian Botanical Garden, the great Indian Botanical Garden, because of our Indian Botanical Garden curator J. Swami virtual presentation. With that, I feel happy because I could able to show our great Indian Botanical Garden with the help of Dr. J. Swami to all the botany, young budding botany students and experienced faculties. They have seen virtually the Indian Botanical Garden, their historical aspects, how they are developing, what are the areas they are doing, what are the species they are conserving. That all we have seen, we could able to see with this, which is tab. That is very good effort. That is very uh, interesting, and with this, all the people are an very bright, enlightened minds, not with the sleeping minds, because they are very enlightened with the open eyes to see the botanical garden, our the great Indian Botanical Garden. That's we feel very happy with this 2 days national workshop. We feel very happy. We wholeheartedly thankful to our Botanical Survey of India, Dakkan Region Center, head of the office, scientist, botanist, technical staff, all the staff of Botanical Survey of India, Dakkan Region Center, Hyderabad, for make it fruitful and with the functional and with effective, with the takeaway information to all the botanists, all the students, all the active botany teachers and active students. They got enlightened. Their brain is in enlightened mode. With this light, I expect you all may enlighten more and more brains of the young students with this knowledge. With this, we feel very happy. We could able to provide the knowledge to more number, not only to our college. We could able to provide, we could able to explore this knowledge to many faculty members almost all over the India from the different states. They readily accepted, they readily joined in this workshop with their own interest. They actively participated till the 2 days, end of the sessions. We on behalf of Department of Botany, Government City College, we also thanking you all the participants, teachers, students, botanists, research scholars, all the participants. I am uh, saying you to the wholehearted thank you to all for make it grand success with overall support. Even in the technical itches, some more happened in my the 2 day sessions. I face the pain and stain also. I could able to give as my level best to you. If any inconveniences caused to any participant, I am very much sorry for that. I will try to do my level best for the next to make it grand success without any inconveniences from my side. With this, I am very much thankful to you all the participants. I already, Dr. J. Swami said, we are trying to organized this from the last 2 years, but this year it has made fruitful and success. With all your cooperation, with the backbone support of Botanical Survey of India, with the readily helping hand of Dr. M. Sir, Director of the EDAPIS Botanical Survey of India. Please, I need at least 3-4 feedbacks. Please, at least 3-4 persons. Please give the feedback on overall workshop. Please, anyone? Please
So
give.
myself Veeritika of Government Kaktiya PG College Jagdalpur Chhattisgarh se.
Yeah.
I am really privileged to attend this 2 days workshop. According to me, this workshop is very useful for our budding botanist, as it consisted of herbarium techniques, virtual, and how to make slides, and how to present, and how to use this techniques in future purpose, and also conserve our biodiversity. The main motto of all this topic is connecting and telling about only one thing, is to conserve the species.
ఉండమను 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 నేను ఇక్కడ సెషన్లో ఉన్నా కదా మేము.
So that session was very useful, sir. I am very privileged to be enrolled in this workshop. Thank you so much, sir, for this session.
Thank you very much for your valuable feedback. Anybody, please?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please.
Yes, sir. This is Urvish Patel here from Hemchandracharya, North Gujarat University, Patan, Gujarat.
Yeah, please.
Am I audible?
Yeah, please. Audible.
Ji. Yes, sir. You have did this workshop in hybrid mode. It would be very helpful for students like me, which cannot be come there and attend the workshops offline. But your this mode is helped me so much, and I got the lot of knowledge from this work 2 days of workshops. Thank you so much for arranging this, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very
Good
much.
evening, sir.
Anyone?
Uh,
Please.
Sir, myself Rupak, and I am from Andhra Pradesh. My background is not in botany or geology. I'm an engineer, but I have keen interest in plants and animals. And last 3 years, I am collecting seeds from Eastern Ghats, from Nallamala, and I have recorded 230 bird species also because of my passion, my interest, and that is why I joined this workshop. And there are so many prominent scientists and experts are there, so I really appreciate your effort also, and all the and I have learned a lot. So thank you very much, and I'm looking forward for exploring more biodiversity and flora and fauna. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, we feel proud of you. We are very happy to see like you, a young
Sir,
Thank you,
generation
sir.
are
Thank
undergoing.
you,
can
sir.
I have 1 minute, sir, please.
Yes, sure, please.
Please, Rupak ma'am, if you have please any kind of germplasm, kindly share with us, because we are not having in our garden. We can try to take from you. If you want anything from here, also we can give to you. Because
Yes,
our
sir. Yes, sir.
intention is whatever we don't have, that we want to bring it here. So
Sure,
our
sir.
at least
Sure,
our
sir. I
all
have.
Indian germplasm trying to
Can
locate
we
in
on
different
your
botanical
camera, please?
gardens.
We could able to
Yes,
see
sir.
you.
I have recorded, and I have one website on which I put my observations also. I will definitely share if you provide any email ID. I can share with you, sir, all the
Yes, ma'am. I
details.
am sharing my email ID, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Hello, sir. Sir, good evening, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, this is Dr. Sapna from Mysore, Karnataka, sir. Uh,
You please.
I'm very happy, sir. You have shown us Botanical Garden, Kolkata. Sir has explained it very well. Excellent, sir. We were feeling that we are inside the BS.
Thank you, ma'am.
So that is how it has given us. Please share us the presentations so that we can share with our students, motivate them to be for the part of biodiversity, and mainly we are focused for species, sir. Whether it is a plant or an animal, if plants are there, animals can be survived, sir. But an excellent job, sir, Nagraj, sir.
And for a deep appreciation, sir, for you, please making for this workshop online, sir. Otherwise, we could have not seen Dr. Swami sir or Shankar sir, who has explained very well whatever the advancement in taxonomy and what is BSI is doing for species conservation, sir. And thank you so much, sir, for organizing this wonderful workshop, sir. Sir, how can we connect? We are very far from Kolkata, so how can we come taking our students to BSI, sir?
In which
Any
part you
problem?
are from your which part, ma'am? Karnataka.
Karnataka, Mysore region, sir.
Direct trains are available, na, ma'am, from Mysore to here.
Direct trains are there, sir?
Up to Howrah, it is there, ma'am.
Howrah.
Yes, from
Okay,
Howrah, it is just 10 kilometer distance to Garden only, ma'am. The
okay,
best
sir.
best season is December to January period, ma'am. January up to February middle. That is the best season to visit our garden. That is a very pleasant climate that time. That
Okay, sir.
time. Mm.
Okay, definitely, sir.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Amma. Anybody? Please, those who are from outside the Telangana and AP, please talk. Have you got an opportunity? What? How you got completed? From student side, from student sides also, please. From student side, I'm expecting, especially for the students, young students, botanists. Anyone? Students, please. Anyone? Students, please. No one? From the student side. From the student side. Anyone from the student side? Very good.
Small doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Uh, in this botanical survey of India in botanical garden, can we place weeds also? Weed plant,
Wheat. You're talking about
weeds,
wheat.
unwanted plants.
Weeds.
Weed.
We have so many, ma'am. Weeds we are having
Okay,
so
sir.
many. We are monitoring that.
Okay, okay,
So
sir.
around
One of,
mm,
okay,
please.
sir. Any one authentic weed plant, sir, which
Herbaceous, we are medicinal plants, particularly weeds, we are maintaining in the sections. But in the ground, in the different divisions and 25 divisions we are having, there whatever weeds comes, we used to in the when it goes up to this level, we are trimming with the brush cutter with our manpower we are having. With that, we are removing weeds only. So to maintain the plantations. So because many
thank
of the otherwise now so many invasive weeds also is there. If you allow them, within the
so
1 month it will spread like God and anything. So because of
yes.
that, we are removing those invasive weeds especially.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you
Anybody
so much, sir.
from the student side? Please. From the faculty side? Any faculty from outside? Please. What knowledge you gain, whether it is useful, how whether the workshop is benefit to you or not. You share your thoughts about the workshop. You please. You please share your thoughts. No one? Okay. Okay. No one is. Nothing? Oh, wow. Okay. And once again, thank you all. Thank you to the Botanical Survey of India, Kolkata, Head of the Office, Deccan Region Center, and Calcutta, Director Dr. A. Mavo sir, Deccan Region Center Head of the Office, Rossingham sir, and all the staff, scientists, technical staff of Botanical Survey of India, Deccan Region Center, and Botanical Survey of India, Howrah, curator of Indian Botanical Garden, Dr. J. Swami, and the scientists, Dr. R.K. Chowdhury, sir, Agarkar Research Institute, and Dr. C. Sudhakar Reddy, sir, scientists, NRSC, ISRO, Hyderabad, and all the distinguished delegates and chief guests, Professor C. Manoharachari, sir, and especially to my principal, sir, of Government City College, Hyderabad, for giving this opportunity to organize this 2 days national workshop. Wholehearted support from all my staff, principals, sir, vice principals, IQAC coordinator, and all the head of the departments, and all the faculty members, and teaching staff and non-teaching staff of Government City College, and all the staff of our Department of Botany, and my colleagues, and my dear students of this Government City College. Yeah, I'm thankful to you all for made it grand success. Thank you, thank you. With this, I am feeling very happy. I could able to say the knowledgeable persons talks to the nation wise to explore, to enlighten their knowledge for the future, to become a young botanist. Thank you all. Thank you very much. Thank you. You all fill the feedback form. Feedback form is must. Feedback form, you don't fill the mistakes. That feedback form, what you have filled only will come in your, reflect in your certificate. In your participation certificate, that will reflect. If you fill the mistake, your certificate, your name or designation or college, you fill thoroughly, correctly, then you will get the perfect, correct online certificate. You will get the online certificate with the QR code. It will not be used to others. It will be useful to only you. That we are going to provide with the short span of the 2 days time. It takes at least Saturday. By Monday, I have to check, verify how many are actually participated, how many are paid, how many are leisurely listen, how many are full length participated. I will take the data from the Google Meet, the, and there is Google Meet attendance. With that, I will take confirmation list to them. I will send very quickly the certificates with the help of Botanical Survey of India, Deccan Region Center. We feel proud in our certificate, not only my college emblem, Botanical Survey of India, our the great banyan tree emblem also is presenting in your certificate. Our mother institute, Botanical Survey of India emblem also present. That will be helpful to you, very useful to us. That certificate you are going to get. For that, you all please fill correctly all the details. Okay? Thank you all. Thank you. You all don't forget to fill the feedback. Thank you all. Okay? Thank you for making it fruitful. Thanks a lot.